My Way or the Tighway, Phonics in English with Crew Tim. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to do Jolly Phonics Workbook number 3, page number 20. Let's go ahead and see what we need to do. When two letters that make the same sound come together, you only say the sound once. R, a, b, it, t, rabbit. Read each word and draw a picture of it in the space. Okay, let's go ahead and read the words, then we can draw pictures. What is this word? Rabbit, rabbit. R, a, b, it, t, rabbit. What is this word? Kitten, kitten. K, I, T, E, N, kitten. What is this? Dress, dress. D, R, E, S, dress. What is this? Hill, hill. H, I, O, hill. What is this? Duck, duck. D, K, duck. What is this? Parrot, parrot. P, E, R, A, T, parrot. Great job. Go ahead, color your page, draw your pictures. Let's take a look at my page. Here it is, all colored with pictures in it. You've done a wonderful job. The end. Great job, everyone. I will see you on the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.